Percy had managed to go back to Henry's tunnel and help James out. "All right, James, I'm going to try and get you out." "Well, you better get me out because it's freezing in here." "All right, I'm trying," said Percy. He charged into Henry's tunnel. James burst out. "You did it," said James. "Thank you very much, Percy. Now please take me back to the sheds. It's getting really cold out." "All right, I will," said Percy, and he pushed James back to the sheds. Back at the sheds, Thomas reversed out of the snow. "All right, one more push, Thomas," said the workman. "We're almost through." "What is the meaning of this?" said someone. Harding and Winston. "Sir Topham Hatt, what are you doing here?" "Well, it's been a while since I've been at the shed since the blizzard," said Sir Topham Hatt. "So I was going to pay a visit to see how things are going, but now I see my engines are snowed in. What happened?" "Well, sir, we're trying to get them out." "Well, do it fast," said Sir Topham Hatt. "It's cold out here." "All right, Thomas, one more push. We'll be able to dig." "Go, Thomas, go," said Duck, and he charged in once more and back out. The snow had tumbled down. "All right, we can start shoveling," said the workmen. "All right, do it fast," said the engines. "Go!" They started shoveling. The sheds were finally clear, but before any engines could come out of the sheds, someone came chuffing into the train yard. "Hey, everybody, I found James!" "James," said Sir Topham Hatt, "where were you?" "I was stuck in Henry's tunnel, sir. I got trapped by all the snow." "Well, right now, since we just rescued all the engines, I won't punish you, but remind me, because I'm going to punish you very severely." "Yes, sir," said James miserably, and all the engines started popping out of the sheds. "Woo!" said Edward. "Yes," said Gordon, "finally," and Toby and Henry pulled out too. "Yay, everyone's rescued from the snow. The hardship is over," said Thomas and Percy. "Well, I'm just glad to be out of the shed," said Gordon. And everyone laughed. Thomas and Percy had truly saved the day. But behind the sheds, where mysterious buffers laid, something strange happened. They will never see this coming. It will just slap them in the face. We'll destroy all of them, and it will never be right again. We won't be stopped. We will not be stopped. And he rolled away.